Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate clock and tap on it. Then choose agree and tap on this clock icon if it's not already on. Then tap on the plus one and set up an hour. When you're ready, choose repeat and tap on daily, Monday to Friday, custom or once. I will go with custom, so now I can select the days of the week manually and choose OK to save my changes. Then choose label your alarm however you wish to and save it by tapping OK. Now you can click on the switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to enable or disable vibrations for this alarm and choose ringtone. Now pick one of those melodies or tap on all ringtones, select allow and select one of those. You can also choose local ringtone, pick one of those sources like File Manager, choose agree and continue, tap on allow and pick music from your device by clicking on the chosen song like that one and clicking OK over here. Then you need to go back and save your alarm by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and choosing one of those options. You can turn it back on by clicking at the same switcher. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, you can do that by holding it and tapping on this bin icon over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!